Welcome! Today I am going to teach you how easy it is to make clothes for your VTuber on your phone. This is great for when you're on the go or even want to jot down an idea that you have quickly. I used PicsArt app for this small video, but you can use any imaging app on your phone. Simply, step 1 is export whatever type of clothes you want to make from VRoid Studio when you are on your PC, and then download that mesh to your phone. Here we go. Okay, so here, as I said, I used PicsArt and I was looking for a plaid for my t-shirt. As you can see here, I chose this brown plaid one. And it looks super cute with this blend mode, so I went with this, and then I added my quote. I am motivated by coffee and self-loathing. And I went through fonts to find the perfect font for the t-shirt. I added the font and the quote to the front and the back of the t-shirt. This is personal preference, you could do whatever you like. Here I was looking for a cute little kawaii animal to put onto the t-shirt. And I found this little guy drinking coffee. Super cute. As you can see here, I just resized as needed and added him to the t-shirt. You can try this on your model later on when you get to your PC. And then you'll know if you need to size or resize anything. Hopefully this is helping you. This was the final product. As you can see, the dress I'm wearing right now were made on PicsArt in this same method. So now you try it. I hope this video helped you, and I look forward to seeing your designs. And I hope you have a great day. Please remember to like and subscribe for future videos of VRoid in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.